Our best schools have always been led by passionate, dedicated leaders who embrace the SABIS educational system and its methodologies and do not rest until they are implemented.
Leaders not only help us get to where we are going, they help us to get there faster. They fill a primal need we all have to follow and belong to a group.
Last year, we've been working with a number of the schools, and we have produced 31 more alumni success stories, and we're very happy to continue to do that.
All of us at this leadership conference are like the lead goose. We are out in front, taking on resistance, setting the direction, continuously communicating and regulating the speed. We rely on the teams of individuals. We are leading to follow, preferably with enthusiasm, and we have to communicate regularly to keep everyone motivated.